Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 21st of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since July 21st, 2025, our system has ranked Trump Media and Technology Group as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.03. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is situated at the upper region of a very broad and declining trend in the short term. This scenario typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower section of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $19.86 will initially signal a slower rate of decline and may represent the first indication of a shift in trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of approximately 32.15% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 46.83% to negative 30.01%. Analyzing the longer-term outlook, our 12-month assessment indicates a projected change of negative 11.75%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 67.92% and positive 115.53% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $6.18 and $41.49. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group features the headline, Trump Media and Technology Group Corp stock upgraded from sell candidate to buy candidate after Monday's trading session. The stock price of Trump Media and Technology Group Corp increased by 3.11% on the last trading day, Monday, the 21st of July, 2025, moving from $18.67 to $19.25. During that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 6.48%, with a low of $19.14 and a high of $20.38. Although the price has declined on 6 of the last 10 days, it remains up by 2.78% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the trading volume increased on the last day in tandem with the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 17 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day. Overall, 25 million shares changed hands for approximately $481,007,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $54.68, while the lowest price was $11.75. Currently, the price is 64.80%, or $35.43, below the 52-week high, and 75.75%, or $60.13, below the all-time high reached on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $79.38. Trump Media's stock, identified by the ticker DJT, is experiencing a notable surge following the company's announcement of a $2 billion Bitcoin treasury. This strategic accumulation, which now represents approximately 2/3 of its liquid assets, positions Trump Media as a significant player in the cryptocurrency space and allows it to leverage Bitcoin's potential for capital appreciation. The announcement has heightened investor confidence, driving the stock price higher in the immediate term. Additionally, Trump Media has set aside $300 million for acquiring Bitcoin-related securities, demonstrating a proactive approach in capitalizing on cryptocurrency market trends. This aggressive investment strategy could provide long-term benefits as the value of Bitcoin fluctuates, making it a potentially lucrative asset for the company. The recent signing of the Genius Act, which regulates stablecoins, further solidifies the regulatory framework within which the company operates, potentially enhancing stability and investor appeal. As the cryptocurrency landscape evolves, the successful execution of these strategies could lead to substantial improvements in Trump Media's financial positioning, ultimately impacting its stock price positively in both the short and long term. This combination of active investment and strategic positioning places Trump Media in a favorable light among investors seeking exposure in the booming crypto sector. Analysts have assigned the Trump Media and Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. The chart reflects predominantly positive signals today. The stock of Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook. However, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two averages, as the long-term average remains above the short-term average. Should there be a downward correction, support is expected at levels of $18.68 and $19.20. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, June 27, 2025, and to date, the stock has appreciated by 10.63%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal is present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 16 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 36 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 37 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 111 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 106 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corp. Finds support from accumulated volume at $18.93. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average daily movements, and with strong trading volume, the risk is regarded as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.24 between its high and low, or 6.48%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 4.71%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, if a company consistently shows negative PE ratios, it may suggest insufficient profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $21.33. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $18.93. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group, according to various analyst sources, is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 10th of June, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 8,500 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Eric Swider again conducted an insider sale, this time of 3,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 7,567 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.0001 per share. On the same day, Philip Juhan also sold 416 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.0001 per share. Additionally, on the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Juhan sold 36,774 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.0001 per share. Based on the 69 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been determined to be positive, with a ratio of 19.359. In total, insiders purchased 226,177,920 shares and sold 115,945,948 shares in these latest 69 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $18.34, indicating a decline of 4.74%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, which correlates to a medium level of risk. There is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 15 days ago. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators are positive. Despite the stock being in a downward trend, we believe that the current price level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, upgrading it from a sell to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 22nd of July, we anticipate that Trump Media and Technology Group will open higher by 34 cents and begin trading at $19.59. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from everyone here at StockInvest.